Well, hello there. My name is Sean MacArthur. Some people call me Shawnee Mac. We're here at the homestead, as we like to call it, some ways outside of the Ottawa-Gatineau area, out in the Outaouais Hills of Quebec. Now, we're going to go inside here, and I'm going to show you how our stove is working. Here's the front entranceway. Pluto, come here, boy. Come on. It's going to be the coldest night of the winter, they say, tonight. You're going to stay out? You coming in? Come on. It's pretty rudimentary here, as you can see. We're still putting her together, but one of the things we wanted to do, of course, was to make sure that we were able to stay nice and warm. So we got our stove in later this fall and put her in, and I got her installed here. Installed her myself, in fact. And as soon as I arrived a little while ago, I got a fire going, started up real nice, no problems whatsoever there. Look at her burning along, generating some heat. Now, I took the elements out so that we could get some direct flame on a big pot of water. I like to have some water so that I can make tea and whatnot, wash the dishes. Oh, look, already starting to boil there. And now look at this. We got a little bit of soup on the top of the stove, on the other element there. And meanwhile, on the inside, I've got a little bit of bannock just about to come out here. So let's get her out, because I think it's just about ready. No, there's nothing for you, Pluto. Come on. Here it is. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's hot. Okay, let me close that door there. Good bit of heat in there. What does it say? Just about 200 degrees centigrade there. Just enough to make a nice loaf of bannock. Look at that. Look at how good that looks. Good. Let's get a cutting board out here. And, yeah, it's pumping out heat and cooking my dinner at the same time. And that's what we like about this stove, is that it allows for... Oh, there's some sausages for later. Oh, I got myself into the wine. Some sausages for later. Oh, that's good. So we got some bannock here. Where's that glove? There we go. I'm gonna get this bannock out where we can serve it up. Make sure it's nice and cooked all the way through here. Try not to melt my glasses case while we're at it. Put this on the cutting board here. Yeah, Pluto, I know. I already gave you your kibble. Now, come on, be realistic, will you? Now, you see... this we can put aside for now. The soup's just about ready too, but first I want to give this a little bit of a cut. Alright, where's this? Alright, let's cut into that now. Okay, so, oh yeah, that's looking good in terms of, let me give her a taste here. That for me? Good. But be careful, it's hot. It's hot. Okay, good. Now, let's get that soup out. Got the bowl ready. Here we go. Now, you'll see underneath here how I've taken the elements out. You see those all fit nicely in there. I'll put those back in a second. But it's nice to get the direct heat. You can control where the heat goes. I've been having mostly it going into the oven because the bannock was certainly sufficient there to cook to warm up my soup, just from a can, nothing too complicated there, just a simple soup. Now, how am I going to do this while holding the camera? That's going to be difficult. So, let's bring it over here. I'm going to put the camera down here for a second. Maybe I'll prop it up over here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I'm going to... Careful, Pluto, careful. All right. And, soup's just about ready. My goodness, it's warming up in here real quick. I'm gonna have to take my hat off. Now, I'll do that. And give Pluto the pot. So when it's cooled down enough, you can lift that up. Careful, don't burn yourself now, Pluto. And, let's see. Oh, there's my soup. Oh, that looks good. Soup and bannock straight out my oven. And, you see, the oven comes with this lovely tool here. So I can start to slide these things back in. Just like that. Perfect. up nice and slow through the evening, and hopefully not have to add too much wood as we go. This should burn for quite a while. It's incredibly efficient. If you go outside in the daytime, you see there's barely any smoke or anything, and that's where you take the ashes out. Well, and that's pretty much how it is. Oh, careful, Pluto just burnt himself. I told you not to burn yourself, Pluto. All right then. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful, y'all, for all y'all that are thinking of buying a stove like this. We really love ours. It's beautiful and efficient at the same time. And wish you a great winter. And boy, I'm gonna take my hat off. Take care now.